The video you're about to watch is a preview from one of my fashion design courses available online on Fashion Premier Academy. If you're interested in finding out more about it or enrolling, click the link below. Okay, in this lesson, we're going to talk about asymmetrical designs. What is that? Have you noticed that most of the time, in fact, almost always, when I'm draping something on the form, I'm working on half of the form. Why is that? Well, again, most of the time, a design is symmetrical, which means that the left side and the right side are the same, okay? Whether it's on the fold or cut to, right? It's still, they're the same. Like this shirt I'm wearing, for example, there's two pieces, but they're the same, basically. But what if that's not the case? Asymmetrical designs means that the left side is not the same as the right side. Let's take a look. This is a symmetrical design. But what if you wanted to do a one-shoulder dress? Let's say you wanted to do something like this. Notice that the left side is different than the right side. However, when I close my pattern, my side seams are the same. My side seams are the same. So when you're drafting something and you're balancing a pattern, in this case, only the top section is asymmetrical. The rest remains the same. For example, let's say that you wanted to do a one-shoulder design, something like this. Okay, so maybe something like this. Notice that the left side is different than the right side. Okay? Also, let's say that the hemline was also uneven. Let's say that the hemline was like this at an angle. Right? So what that means is that the top portion and the hemline is not even. It's asymmetrical. But again, when you fold the pattern, the side seams remain the same. They have to be the same. So keep that in mind whenever you're making anything that's asymmetrical. Okay, usually the side seams remain the same. All right, I'm going to drape something right now, and we'll see how it works out. Thank you for watching this video. Check out all the videos available on Fashion Premier Academy. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so you'll be notified every time I post a new video, which is every week. I'll see you in class.